At Kemin Animal Nutrition and Health, we have focused a lot on ruminant nutrition and ruminant solutions. And this has been linked with many significant investments that are part of that strategy because we hired a lot of new experts. We've focused on greater innovation, and we also have strengthened our expertise and production capacity in encapsulation technology. Kemin focuses on continuous improvement of its existing products. So as soon as a product is launched, most of the time the product is then already ready for a while out of R&D, and we continue to work on the product. But R&D does not stop. So continuously in our life cycle of products, we look, okay, what does the product do? What are the market needs, and can we further improve? For KESSENT ME, originally KESSENT M, we knew that we were still using quite a lot of, let's say, petrochemical components in the formulation, also for the coating technology. And with, of course, the important demand from the market for more sustainable products, we knew that this was something that probably would get at the end of its life cycle very quickly. So the team immediately started working also on other coating technologies. Of course, the activity of KESSENT M is well established, so we really could not sacrifice at all at the efficacy in the animal. So that took a bit of time, but we found a very interesting, natural sourced coating material, which is completely renewable, not from petrochemical origin. Many of our customers have projects ongoing in the field of sustainability. And of course, they look at their suppliers to find new solutions and help to reduce their Scope 3 emissions. And KESSENT Me actually tackles both customer demands. We not only have a product that has a reduced carbon footprint compared to the previous generation of product, but also the transition of the coating material from petrochemical source to natural and renewable is, of course, also very important attribute of the product. So very good response in the market on those elements. And initially, although we did not intend necessarily to improve the product, we also see that in the first customer response that we get, that actually the product seems also in certain applications to perform better than the original formulation. So that's absolutely two birds with one stone.